We just have a quick stop over here in Schuman Lake, and I want to show you, this time it's a springtime here, and I want to show you how the lakes looks like. See, it's still frozen, still have an ice in there, but
There's a big fish coming.
yeah, there's a big fish coming, guys. Welcome to Schuman Lake. Rainbow trout fishing at its best. Located 24 kilometers west of Fort Assiniboine on Secondary Highway 658 is charming Schuman Lake, a great place to spend the day fishing for rainbow trout. A full-day use area exists at the site of the free access to picnic and barbecue areas. Just pack a lunch, grab the fishing rods, and head out for a relaxing day in the midst of nature, under the warmth of the sun. Schuman Lake is very clean, calm, and is stocked annually with rainbow trout. To maintain its natural, unspoiled state for your future enjoyment, only non-fuel watercrafts are allowed on the lake. Here's a quick facts for Schuman Lake. Located 24 kilometers west of Fort Assiniboine on Secondary Highway 658. 3-day use sites available with picnic tables and fire rings. 6 overnight sites with picnic tables and fire rings. Fishing, rainbow trout. It's very nice.
This way.
Okay, let's go in here. It's very nice today.
Campsite?
So my husband decided to take us for a road trip, and then we ended up here in Schuman Lake.
Wait, the Schuman
Guys, how is it hard to pronounce the Schuman Lake?
So you are the leader, Tite? Okay, where are we now? Make sure that we don't get lost.
Yeah, I know. I can tell by the light. You coming?
What?
Are you getting me? Wait. What is that?
Well, at least it's not windy anymore, so it's...
Guys, what is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Oh, be careful. Ouch.
What is that?
That's a fire pit.
Good job, that's it.
Okay, we're not going there. What's the story?
Follow me.
She's wearing a gown.
Follow me. Everyone follow me.
Oh, just for a moment.
We're just here in the bushes and look at her.
Yeah, she's dressed up. Well, say Grace, say hi guys.
Say hi, guys. No?
Hello everybody, welcome to the Hearts channel. Today we're going to hike down back to a lake. I'm gonna just show you in a moment. So, this is a hike, and welcome to the Hart family. So, we have, on the hike, we have Mommy, or Mercy, and we have AJ,
What? And lower down, Auntie EJ.
Auntie AJ. We have the, and there's Daddy, and there's Daddy, and there's the cute Snoopy. And that's the end of our hike. Bye.
Bye. Welcome to the Blue Ridge Recreation Area. Has it all for nature lovers. The trail system is perfect for walking or cycling. There is a quaint beach and designated swimming area, perfect for cooling off in the summer heat. Picnic tables and portable restrooms are on site to enhance your day trip to this site. Fishing enthusiasts will be intrigued to know that in 2011, the South Lake was stocked with trout and is now managed as a quality stock trout fishery. In the winter, the Blue Ridge Recreation Area is ideal for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. The 3 kilometers of trails provide a perfect path for you to release your energy no matter the season. The 160-acre area, which now includes 2 ponds, 5 kilometers of walking trails, numerous picnic areas, and a boat launch, was originally a gravel pit. The Blue Ridge Recreation Area currently is divided into 2 parts, north and south. The south section is designed to be more of a recreational area, where people can canoe, swim, and fish. The park takes up approximately 30 acres and has 2 kilometers of track and more than 20 obstacles and jumps for quad and motorcycle riders.
Competition of climbing up
Okay, you and Auntie Elgin, run! Wait.
there. 3.
Where?
Up
Ready,
there.
set, go! Let's go get. Let's go. So now, guys, we're going for
Don't do
a hike.
Want to turn? Don't take back.
Let's go. Let's go for a hike. Are you ready, kids? Kids. I'm not a kid. Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Okay, let's see who's gonna win the run. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go run, go na run. Go run. Go run.
So Napakaganda po ng place na ito guys. Napaka-relaxing niya. At the same time, very refreshing. Nung day po ng pagpunta namin is medyo mahangin po siya. Pero maganda pa rin po kasi medyo malamig at hindi siya masyadong mainit that day. Perfect yung weather that day. At saka napakaganda po ng tanawin. Maganda siya lalo na pag mag-picnic kayo ng families mo or kayo dyan, magdala kayo ng mga pagkain at saka maglapag kayo ng mga kumot. Ang ganda kasi overlooking siya sa yung maliit na pond. Ayan, yun. So, meron din siyang walking trails, guys, na pwede kayo mag-walking, pwede kayo mag-hiking, or kahit mag-bicycling kayo, pwede. Maganda siya kasi malawak, mahaba, at saka safe. So, it's perfect for family bonding or family picnic. So, ayun. Medyo napagod na yung panganay ko. Kaya tamad na siyang mag-hike. Laging nagrereklamo yan. So guys, check out this place for your family. It's perfect for your family to have some picnic or kahit magbabanding-banding lang kayo. Okay siya. Maganda siya. Safe din naman siya sa kids kasi yung pond, hindi siya masyadong malapit mismo sa yung hill na matarik. So, meron pa siyang space at saka meron din siyang table na pwede kayong uupo doon at doon kayo kakain. Yan. So guys, highly recommended. So yeah, kung may time kayo, punta lang kayo dito. Malapit lang yan sa Barhead. So, yan guys, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na picnic table na pwede po kayong kumain dyan at habang ang mga kids ay naglalaro para comfortably po yung pagkain nyo. Isang table lang po ata yung meron sila dyan. Sa kabila naman ng pond na yan, merong maraming mga bikers, mga nagkukwad, nagpa-practice sila kasi ginawa nilang area na yan para sa mga bikers na magpa-practice. Ayun. So, yeah. Super nag-enjoy naman yung mga kids namin. So, may plan kaming babalik niyan sa summer. Ang ganda po kasi. At saka nag-enjoy kami lahat. Malawak at saka mahaba po yung walking trails niya. Sa kabila po niyan is lake po. Pwede kang mag-fishing at saka mayroon din siyang campground. Pwede kang mag-campground. So, ayun. Gusto nang umuwi yung dalawang boys ko. Pagod sa kakahay. So guys, we're going back now to the van. We're done hiking. We had so much fun walking here in the trail, and it's so nice and breezy.
Venus flytrap.
Yes. The kids having fun. Nature is so beautiful.
Yeah, even if there are meat-eating plants.
What? Here's our little guy
with the Venus flytrap.
Did you enjoy, Taylor?
Yeah.
Let's wait.